Look at it. I made this hair myself. It's called the distress lock.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, and then this channel is going to be informative, talking about skincare, going to give you all the luxury skin you're looking for. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pisa Silama, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. And if this is not your first time, thank you so much, and I just want to let you know that I love you because you always stay consistent to my channel and all of that. So this is Lama's Lifestyle, and here I give skincare tips, hair, just general well-being for both male and females also. So don't be shy to comment. I'm so active on my page here on YouTube, so comment, and then I'm going to reply. So today I'm going to be making a Jesus Christ. Today I'm going to be making a tutorial video on how I made this hair by myself. Look at it. I made this hair myself. It's called the distress lock, and it took me about 3 hours to make this particular hair by myself. So you can make it, because I'm gonna put you through all the process, all the detailed process on how I did this hair myself. And I'm rocking this for like 2 to 3 weeks. I had an old braids on that I used to make this hair, and I'm going to be leaving the video. I'm going to be showing you all of that. But making this hair, all you need to have is your hair wax of any company. Your crochet pin is the most vital equipment you need for this hair. Without your crochet pin, you are not making this hair. And then you'll be needing your extension, either bohemian hair, passion twist, but I used kinky, but from Amigos. I like, it was really nice, but I'm going to be leaving out details on everything I used, and yeah, so that's it. Stay. Welcome back. Like I said, you'll be needing kinky or passion twist. Then this is the main thing here, this one. So you just take this one. I already put my gel, like my hair wax. You take this one, there's like, it's like a hook, so you push this particular hook down like this to make it open. Then you slide it through here. When you slide it through here, you take your this and put inside of this pin. Then when you draw it, this particular pin closes. I guess you've seen it. Then you draw it out, then release. So when you release, you just take out this remaining part and bring here. So like this, you've secured your hair inside of this hair. Then all you have to do is make it tight. So I think you've seen me make this tight. Then now I'm going to be teaching you the way you roll your hands and all, so you can actually bring this hair, because this is thick enough for the hair. So you start like this first, then you put your thumb inside the hair here. Then please don't make it tight, start making it loose. You can put your hand inside here and just make it loose, don't make it tight. So right now this is finished. You take another particular one, the same thing, and then you just like from where it ended, just start to wrap around. Easy peasy, because you just go around and people eat your money. I don't know if you can see how my hand is going. My hand enters here, then I just twist. Please don't make it tight. Like the hair is called a distress lock, so don't need to make it tight. So to wrap this, I think you'll be needing like three or more. So I'm going to take it again and do the same thing. This is the second time I'm actually making this kind of hair for myself. The first time I said I was going to film it on my channel, but I couldn't. Or I did, but I forgot to post it. Or rather, I deleted it. So basically, this is just the wrapping and giving it this butterfly with your hands here, like this. I don't know why I chose this particular color, but I really like it. I like it, and I just feel like it's going to fit my skin tone. And my channel is, if this is the first time on my channel is particularly on skincare. So if you're actually admiring my skin in this video, please feel free to go through my videos, like, comment. I'm really active on my posts. I'm really active on my page. If you notice, I reply DMs from Instagram or YouTube here, comment section. So this is it. I'm still wrapping. So now this hair was actually too long, so I had to fold it, and then I'm trying to, I know you guys want to see how I'm going to end this particular hair, because that's the problem people have, ending the hair. So you see me wrapping, I can see, just do my stuffs. The butterfly effect is putting your thumb, like just you putting your thumb to scatter the whole stuff. Make it tacky. So now I still have to add one more hair. I don't know why this one is consuming hair. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a little bit. That is this. This is the ending part, so I really want you guys to know how I actually end this. So just keep wrapping. When you get to the downside, the wrapping, make it tight. Then you start wrapping back up. So this is how to close your distress lock. You just start wrapping back up. So this is the first one I made. This is the second one. I am not in front of any mirror, but I just feel like I got this perfectly. So I'm going to be doing this for all this hair, and I'm going to be coming back to show you people what this looks like. It's getting late. This is the ones I've done. I just want to film my progress for you. So apparently I'll be done today, but it's going to be dark. But I'm going to record tomorrow and show you how this looks. I actually made that video yesterday and it was getting dark, but I just had the strength to do that. And then this is how the hair turned out later. So Nibiko, you can make this hair by yourself. All you just need is those items I said you should get. And please like this video. It was really stressful, and then I just hope you understood how to wrap the whole ends. If you don't, go back and then you're going to learn. Try to, because I made this particular hair. This is the third time I'm making it. I made it firstly for myself, then I made it for my sister. I actually said I was going to, I actually recorded it. It's still on my phone, but I just felt like it was, but this is the one I'm putting out here, and this is how it looks. So that old hair you saw me with transformed into this new hair, and I'm looking all pink. So thank you for watching my video. Go through my videos if you admire my skin. My channel is more about skincare, so I don't know why you're not marveled running to my videos to watch. But watch, it's free, it's totally for free. Subscribe also to my channel. Peace, bye.